Alright, let's turn on the light. Oh, it's a little darker than usual. Hey, that light is dying. Let's fix that. Get a step ladder. I never knew my real ladder. Now that we're closer to this dome light, we need to remove the nut holding the glass up. Sometimes you have to rotate the glass to get started. But remember folks, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. We can take this decorative note to expose the full one. Some setups will have this additional nut, while others will just have this decorative one. Once we get this nut off, the glass will have nothing holding it up, so make sure you apply pressure holding it up, and once the nut is off, safely and carefully hold the glass till it's off the spindle and put it somewhere safe. Now for the bulb. This bulb is an LED, so it's cool to the touch. But this was an incandescent bulb. I would wait for it to cool. If this is using an incandescent, the max wattage is located here on the bulb socket. We're using an LED, so we don't have to worry about that. Alright, new bulb, righty-tighty, and dang, that's a sweet bulb there. Time to put the glass back on, and we basically do everything in reverse. On its base with the spindle sticking through. Find your nut, rethread it, and spin it on. Now the decorative nut, and put that one on. No need to make it too tight like you're an Incredible Hulk or anything. Otherwise, next time, it might have a bad time, okay? Off the stool, stand back, and admire your work. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you learned something today.